Cougars, and happy Friday. We've made it through week 2. You guys are rock stars and doing so awesome. I'm so proud of you all. So this week for Friday, for your attendance check and also for just your check-in for your work on Friday, you have a check-in. This check-in will be put into the gradebook as a core work habits grade. That means that it's going to be 30% of your grade. We just want to know that you're able to access it, you're able to answer all the questions, and use the knowledge that you've learned through this week for a new vocab and see how it works to practice it on your own. So that's what this little blurb says at the top. It's a check-in, it will be graded, and it will be put into the gradebook. Please complete it on your own to the best of your ability. If you have questions, you can call or text this number. That's my number. You can chat with me on Google Chat, or you can send me an email to this email right here. This email right here. Okay? Once you're ready to go, it will ask for your first and last name, your class period, and then how you're feeling today. You get to pick one of these cute little penguins to describe to me how you're feeling. Once you're ready to move on, it will start bringing you to the vocabulary check-in section. So these questions are all strictly about vocabulary and what you worked on this week. The first question is, number 1, did you practice the force and motion Quizlet for 15 minutes during science class this week? Here's a picture of the Quizlet. You either say yes or no. Number 2, did you complete the card sort after the Quizlet during science class this week? Yes or no? And this is what the Quizlet looked like. The vocab words at the top. This is what the card sort looked like after the Quizlet at the top. Number 3, choose the vocabulary word that fits the best in the sentence. The blank of my body is the same of the moon and earth. Is it forces, motion, acceleration, inertia, or mass? Number 4, choose the vocabulary word that fits the best in the sentence. There are many different types of blank that can affect objects in different ways. Is it forces, motion, inertia, acceleration, or mass? Number 5, choose the vocabulary word that fits the best in the sentence. Isaac Newton created the 3 laws of blank to explain the movement of all objects in the universe. Is it forces, motion, acceleration, inertia, or mass? Number 6, choose the vocabulary word that fits the best in the sentence. Newton's law can be described as force is equal to mass times blank. Is it force, motion, acceleration, inertia, or mass? Number 7, choose the vocabulary word that fits the best in the sentence. Blank is when an object resists change in motion. That means it will not move without an unbalanced force. Is that force, motion, acceleration, inertia, or mass? And the very last question is a bonus question. It asks you, what is one fact that you learned about your famous scientists you researched this week? And then you're going to type in your fact right here. At the very end, you will see a big submit button. Click on that big submit button, and then it will get submitted to me. I will have to go through and grade your questions, but once you click submit, you will be able to see if you got to the vocabulary correct or incorrect. But I will have to go in to add your extra point at the very end. I hope you guys have an amazing Friday. Remember that you have all of these available different ways to contact me. If you have any questions, you can do that while you are taking it. Okay, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Please let me know if you have any questions, and bye. Have a great weekend. See you Tuesday.